Hey, this is Shri from WhatsPilot, and in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the features we have in the product. To get started, just click on the login button. If you have an account, you can sign in here, or you can click on sign up to create a new account. I'm going to create a new account just so you know how you can do it. Now let's verify the email that you have received. After that, you're going to have to log in again. And after that, you need to pick the plan. I'm going to go with the first one. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. It will show the message activity, like how many messages you have sent over the week and what your success rate is. You can also see the active broadcasts that you might have. So the first thing that we need to do after logging in is linking your device. You can just click here to go to the page and then create device. And if you have worked with WhatsApp web, the flow is really straightforward. All you need to do is scan the QR code and then it will connect your device. Now let's take a look at how you can add contacts. So for that, first you need to go to the contact section, and there you can either add contact one by one, or you can go back and upload multiple contacts with a CSV file. I already have one, so I'm not going to add any more contacts. With WhatsPilot, you also get a vast library of templates that you can use, or you can add custom ones just by going to the template section. And there you can create a new template. Let's call it test template. And you can either select the category or leave it as is. I'm just going to send a simple message, so I'm going to pick plain text. Now let's continue. And this will be the text that you can add. You can also add the header and the footer. You also have the option of adding variables if you want. And let's continue and save it. And this is the template that we came up with. Now let's take a look at how you can do broadcasts. So the first thing that you need to do for sending broadcasts is add your contacts in a group. And first you need to do manage groups and create a new group. I'm going to call this broadcast group. And then we need to assign the contact into the broadcast group and then save the changes. And now let's move over to the broadcast page and create a new broadcast. First, select the device, then name of the broadcast, which could be like New Year broadcast. And then you need to pick a template. I'm going to go with the template that I have created. And let's continue. Now we haven't added any variables yet, so this is the screen you'll get. And let's continue. Now you need to select the recipients. You can send this broadcast to all the users or specific groups. I'm going to go with the group that we just created and then save selection. You can also schedule it for later, but I'm going to send it now. Now all you need to do is just start the broadcast and you'll see that it's in progress. You can also open this interface where you can see how many messages are sent and which ones are pending. Now let's just wait for a while and it will send the message. Okay, so as you can see, the message has been sent and the status has been updated to complete. We also have this feature called chatbot flow, where you can create custom chatbots to handle all of your support needs, or maybe you want it, or maybe you want to use it for sales. For this example, I'm going to go with support and inbound flow. So with inbound flow, whenever you receive a message on your device from a new user, you can activate this flow and you can add intents like let's say you want users to book a demo, then you can just add demo and that will trigger the chatbot. Also, we need to select the device and let's go to the flow builder. So whenever a user sends you a message which has the keyword demo, this flow will get triggered. And we can ask, what time are you available at? If you want, you can also send this message with media. So for now, let's save this flow. I haven't created a complex flow yet, but you have all these options that you can explore. You can also send immediate messages. So let's go back to the screen. And now whenever a user sends you a message that has the word demo, this flow will get triggered. Now we also have this feature called group listener, where you can listen on a group for any messages, and you can basically respond to them on that same group. So to create that, you can just create a new group listener, and the name would be test group for now. Select the device, then continue. Now you don't have any groups yet, so you can just sync your groups that you have on your device, then continue. And again, you can add a trigger word like your company name. It could be your company name. So for example, WhatsPilot, and then continue. So this will be the reply message. You can either go with the template, or you can add a custom reply message and then create the listener. So whenever a user sends the word WhatsPilot, they will be greeted with this message. Okay, that's it for the demo.